Everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about plasma sound. What is plasma? Fourth state of matter, okay? Gas that has been energized to the point that electrons break free from the nucleus but still travel with it. And I have one of these in our studio, and we find that they're really, really relaxing. And you can see how the electrons break free here, you know, how it's charged and how they travel, but they stay close to source. Well, you know, that's what we want to do with our music systems. We want to break free from everyday life, from ourselves, from life, you know, for that brief moment in time and space that, you know, we get to enjoy the great parts of music that we really, really like. So we want to break free from self, and we want to travel with the music. That's our goal, okay? We want to get the goal so we get the emotional connectivity. That's the whole thing here. And the only way to get it, the only way that we've discovered to get it, is to increase the resolution of the room to match the resolution of the electronics. Our electronics today are really good. Resolution is really high. Our rooms are horrible. The rooms I see every day, and I see thousands come across my desk all the time. It's just horrible, the sizes that we have to work in, the pressure issues, the reflection issues, the overusage, trying to do too much in one room. I mean, we're just constantly shooting ourselves in the foot. And it's almost an impossible battle to get people to understand that all of those things that you think are right are completely wrong, okay? So music really is the free electrons. That's what we're after in this example. We want to be free. We want to still be connected to our sources, but we want to be free in that moment in time and space. That's our goal. So we have to increase the resolution of the room. Now, how do we do that? First things first, we got to have the proper dimensions of the room. That's critical, because everything we do from that footprint forward is going to be an uphill battle if we don't have proper room dimensions. And I very rarely see proper room dimensions, maybe 1 out of 100. I see ratios of width, height, and length that are going to respond really well to treatment, and we don't have to use a lot of it. Very rare, maybe 1 out of 100. So for the 99%, we got to treat, okay? First thing is dimensions. Second is usage. We got to match the usage to what we're doing. We don't want a huge room for voice, and we don't want a small room for a live room. So we have to match the usage to the size of the room. Noise floor. This is something that's overlooked a lot, but we have to lower the noise floor of the room so we hear more of our gear and electronics. It just is common sense. Noise floor is like shock absorbers in a car. You get used to it. It wears out slowly, so you don't notice the big change. In your room, you have a certain noise floor. You're used to it. But if you lower it 10 dB, you won't believe the difference it's going to make. It's night and day. You'll think you got new gear, new speakers, and a new room if you lower the noise floor 10 dB. It's not easy to do, and it's expensive. But if you're doing a new construction and you're building something new, it's something that you should definitely look into. Pressure and reflections. Pressure, low frequency modes, reflections, middle and high frequency reflections off all the surfaces. Remember, each surface is about 17% of the problem. And stay out of the corners of the room. Those are not your problem. It's the whole wall surface that is your problem. By definition, modal issues are between 2, 4, and 6 parallel surfaces, not 2, 4, and 6 parallel corners. Okay? So this is another critical factor. If we're going to use absorption, which we have to for low frequency management, rate and level. Are we getting enough? Are we going low enough? Because Without this, nothing is going to work right. Okay? Rate and levels, very, very important. Rate and level with building insulation is worthless, especially for voice. Stay away from that cheap stuff that costs nothing and is worth nothing. Go with technologies that are specifically designed for music and voice, that have the proper level, that respect the harmonic structure of music and voice. Okay? Pressure, the only one we found that's powerful enough per square foot is diaphragmatic, and you can read all about our processes on our website. So, plasma sound, I thought this would be interesting to look at because we're all trying to get closer to our music. And what's plasma trying to do? The electrons are breaking free from the nucleus, but they're still connected. And that's what we want to do. We want to break free in time and space from ourselves, from life in general, from politics, from all this nonsense, and really just be free and enjoy our music. And there's so much enjoyment in it, as you all know. But the goal is to get closer to it. And we can do that with a step-by-step process. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.